why everyone will have to face the judgment seat of Christ. Nga naman kitang tanan nga magpakita sa hukmanan ni Kristo sa mga langit. And as it is appointed unto men once to die, but after this, the judgment. Lahat tayo will have to face the judgment. Okay? We'll have to face the judgment. Whether you like it or not, each one of us will have to be there in heaven. Now, nandito tayo, but we have to be there by faith. Kaya nga, kitang tanan conscious ta sa ato nga ginabuhat. Because there is a judge in heaven investigating us. It says here in Great Controversy, 479, paragraph 2, thus was presented to the prophets vision, the great and solemn day when the characters and the lives of men should pass in review before the judge of all the earth. And to every man should be rendered according to his works. So, ang tanan nato nga kinabuhi will have to pass and review sa the judge of all the earth. Di kamusta ang ato nga life? How is our life? Ang ato nga kinabuhi. Sabi dito sa Greek Controversy 486, all who have ever taken upon themselves the name of Christ must pass its searching scrutiny. Si lahat tayo, each one of us, kita nga tanan nga nagdawat kang Kristo, apil ta sini nga investigation. Ang mga tao nga wala magdawat kang Kristo, amo na sila exempted. Lahi ang ilang investigation. Pero kita tanan, we are actually included in this investigation. Anong klaseng investigation ang iya pagahimon? It says here in Ecclesiastes 12:14, for God shall bring every work into judgment with every secret thing, whether it be good or whether it be evil. Okay? Matthew 12:36-37, but I say unto you that every idle word that men shall speak, they shall give account thereof in the day of judgment. For by thy words thou shalt be justified, and by thy words thou shalt be condemned. So, tanan nga ato nga ginahimo diri sa kalibutan, sa ato nga mga sinultihan, maayo o dili, everything will be investigated. Amo na nga magbantay ta sa ato nga mga ginahambal, di ba? Because everything is recorded. Unya kung abrihan na sa Ginoo ang libro, imbestigahan ang atong ngalan, kinahanglan maning kamo ta nga ang atong mga sala nga na record sa libro, kinahanglan mapangayo ag pasaylo. Okay? We will explain that later on. Okay? Now, 2 Corinthians 5 verse 10, according to Paul, are we going to appear in the judgment? It says here, for we must all appear before the judgment seat of Christ. So lahat tayo will have to face this judgment seat of Christ, that everyone may receive the things done in his body according to that he had done, whether it be good or bad. When Christ comes, according to Revelation, that when he comes, his reward is with him. Di ba? Tapos na eh. Pag andi sa Ginoo, the reward is already being decided. So before he comes, he has to investigate whether we are worthy or not. So kailangan, we have to be worthy. Okay? But how are we going to appear in the judgment seat of Christ in heaven? It says here in Great Controversy 4:27, paano tayo nga makakadto sa langit to appear? Kana bang magkadto ta sa huwis? Paano? Sabi dito, they were not to be present in person at the marriage, for it takes place in heaven, while they are upon the earth. The followers of Christ are to wait for the Lord when he will return from the wedding. Luke 12:36. But they are to understand his work and to follow him by, in what way? We have to follow him by what? By faith. In other words, we have to be there by faith. Okay? Kailangan magkatuta to sa hukmanan in the court of heaven by faith. As he goes in before God, it is in this sense that they are said to go into the marriage. Okay? So we have to be conscious all the time. Especially we profess to have to be called present truth, brethren, right? Now, are you following Him by faith? Nagasunod ba mo sa Ginoo nga by faith? How do you follow Christ by faith? Do you enjoy the pleasures of the world? Kung nagasunod ka sa Ginoo by faith, ano ba yan? Nagahagoy-hagoy ka sa kalibutan? Nagatanaw ka sa sine, nagatanaw ka sa, hindi ba, the theater, di ba, sang una, yung theater, you get out of the house, and then you go to the theater, di ba? Tisubong ang theater sa ana? Arida sa imong kamot. So, we need to be careful because amo na siyang ginagamit sa yawa. Yeah. So, ari na ang theater dire, oh. Kung nagapalo ta sa Ginoo, if we have to follow Him by faith, we don't need this. We don't drink things that are not good to the body because we are following Christ by faith. Diba? We keep the Sabbath. Diba? Because we follow Him by faith. Sabi dito, perilous is the condition of those who growing weary of their watch, turn to the attractions of the world. So, anong sabi dito? Perilous. Ano? Grabe gid, no? Amo na siya, delikado. Especially those who are growing weary of their watch. And then they go back to the world. While the man of business is absorbed in the pursuit of gain, while the pleasure lover is seeking indulgence, while the daughter of fashion is arranging her adornments, it may be in that hour the judge of all the earth will pronounce the sentence, thou art weighing the balances and art found wanting. So, kanang nga panahon nga ikaw nakapuyan ka sa pag-alagad sa Ginoo, tapos nagbalik ka to sa kalibutan, and then it may be that hour nga si Christ mag-imbestigar sa imong record. How? Paano yun? What happens if He investigates your records and you are enjoying the pleasures of the world? Delikado. Perilous. So, ang mga igsoon nga, we need to be conscious every day. Kailangan sigurado ang ato nga life diha kang Christ. Okay? So, what are we supposed to do in this investigative judgment? Ano gid ang angay nato nga buhaton niini nga investigative judgment? Okay? Sabi dito, those who would share the benefits of the Savior's mediation should permit nothing to interfere with their duty to perfect holiness in the fear of God. Amo gini nga importante nga kinahanglan gyud nga mahingpit nato ang ato nga kinaya. Hingpit, perfect, di ba? I hope nga maintindihan niyo ang ako nga Cebuano, di ba? May Ilonggo konti, but hopefully maintindihan. So, kailangan nga we need to attain perfection, ang kanang pagkabalaan. Okay? Without holiness, no one will see the Lord. Di ba sabi ng Hebrews? Importante gid nga ma-attain nato na siya ang pagkabalaan. Okay? Hindi na lalim gid nga lisod. Hindi na easy. It's not easy. Pero si Pablo, Philippians 4:13, we can do all things, what? Through Christ. So there's nothing impossible with Christ. Sabi dito, the precious hours, instead of being given to pleasure, to display, or to gain seeking, should be devoted to an earnest, prayerful study of the word of truth. Yung mga time naton, how many hours are we given actually? Each one of us, how many hours? Ano, ilang oras ang ginahatag sa aton kada araw? 24 hours, right? Pila ka oras ang imong tulog? 8. So may ara pang nabilin? 16. Ano ginagamit mo sa 16? May ara ka time sa pag-ampo? May ara ka time sa pagbasa sa Biblia? Di ba? Kasi wala na time eh. All the times we're just spent in the work, in the job. So, kailangan we have to balance everything. There must be a balance in our life. 24 hours. Ang mga tigulang, hindi naman na 8 hours, siguro pwede na 6 hours. Diba? Sobrang 8 hours eh. Kasi dali na sila makamata. Bugtaw sila agad, no? So, sabi dito, the subject of the sanctuary and the investigative judgment should be clearly understood by the people of God. All need a knowledge for themselves of the position and work of their great high priest. Otherwise, it will be impossible for them to exercise the faith, which is essential at this time, or to occupy the position which God designs them to fill. Kinahanglan gyud nga maintindihan nato ni ang subject of the sanctuary. Kung way takabalo sa ginabuhat ni Kristo sa langit, hindi ta. How are we gonna exercise our faith? Diba? Kinahanglan maintindihan nato ni Igsoon ang kining trabaho ni Christ in the most holy place. Sabi niya dito, how does Christ examine the case of an individual? It says here, in Great Controversy 489, paragraph 3, though all nations are to pass in judgment before God, yet He will examine the case of each individual with as close as searching scrutiny as if there were none other being upon the earth. Grabe gid. Nga as if nga you are the only one in this earth. Investigahon ka niya, ikaw na gid isa. Think about that. You know, you're not being investigated as a family or as a church. No, you are being investigated individually. As if you are the only one on this earth. So, amo na nga, paningkamutan natin, no? Paningkamutan natin. Now, sabi dito sa Daniel 7, sino mga tao ang nag-attend ning judgment? Okay? Sabi dito sa Daniel 7, 9 to 10, I beheld till the thrones were cast down. Till the thrones were cast down. Meaning to say, if you read in Great Controversy, till the thrones were in place. Ang mga trono, there's the throne of the Father, Christ, and of course, you have the Holy Spirit as well. So the thrones were placed. And then it says here, one that was ancient of days did sit. His raiment was white as snow, and the hair of his head like pure wool. His throne was fiery flames, and the wheels thereof burning with fire. A fiery stream issued and came forth from before him. Thousands and thousands ministered unto him, and 10,000 times 10,000 stood before him. The judgment was said, and the books were open. See? Damo gid ang nag-attend nining tribunal, kining court sa langit. Angels, all the angels, 10,000 of them. 10,000 times 10,000. And then, what happened? Okay, dito sa next slide. In Great Controversy 479, paragraph 2, the Ancient of Days, sino ning Ancient of Days? Is God the Father. So, usually, ang presider, amo na siya ang judge, di ba? Dito sa mundo. Whoever presides in the court is the judge. Pero ini nga court is different. Like, iba ni. Okay? The Father is just the presider. Pero hindi siya ang mag-judge. Amo na, so we will study that. Okay? So the Ancient of Days is God the Father, says the psalmist, before the mountains were brought forth, or ever thou hadst formed the earth, and the world, even from everlasting to everlasting, thou art God. Psalms 90 verse 2. It is He, the source of all being and the fountain of all law, that is to preside in the judgment. So ang amay, amo na siya ang mag-preside sa ini nga korte. Okay? So sabi to, holy angels as ministers and witnesses in number 10,000 times 10,000, and thousands of thousands attend this great tribunal. So the Father will preside, but who is the judge? We'll find out. Sabi dito, Daniel 7:13 to 14, one like the Son of Man came in the clouds of heaven, came with the clouds of heaven and came to the Ancient of Days, and they brought him near before him. There was given him dominion and glory and a kingdom that all people, nations, and languages should serve him. So, nakita nila nga, one like the Son of Man, who is this? This is Christ, went to the Ancient of Days. Ano bang purpose ni Kristo pagkato niya sa Ancient of, sa Amay? What was his purpose? What is the coming of Christ to the Father here? It says here, the coming of Christ here, this